So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Nike by You custom Air Force Ones. I brought my rest of my shoes out for shits and giggles, I guess. Using my Air Force Ones. These are one of my favorite looking shoe out there. And then I got my Adidas Snoop Dogs. Air Force One canvas. These are old Huffs. Those are my wife's Dunks. And my Champion summer shoes. Anyway, on with the show. I'll open them up. Do this one-handed if I can. These are straight from Nike. Send them out. I was told I would have my name on it, but I guess not. That's okay though. So this box it comes in. And open it up. It's the paper. There it is. And your clown shoes. They look pretty good. Leather feels nice. Colors are nice and bright. Put my initials on the back. Wife says I'm a dork, but whatever. I like it. That's not a deal breaker. Okay, that's just the way it is. So there they are. I got them today. I think it took, I don't remember. It was maybe about 5 weeks, I think, to get here. Not too bad. I got 2 pairs of custom Dunks coming. They're gonna be a while, at least a month. I just ordered them. But when they get here, I'll post them up. You know, these are nice. My Snoops. I have had these for a while. This is a hemp canvas. It's got a paisley pattern on the inside. I wear these quite often. I really like these. These are Huffs. I can't get them anymore. A little bummed about that. Amy's new Dunks. She's worn them a bunch already. They got dog hair and stuff all over them. She really likes them. They're a nice looking shoe. Really soft. Softer than I was expecting. And my lightweight summer shoes. Anyway, thanks for watching.